It's quite easy to change any text color within Brizy Builder, but what if you have a sentence or a paragraph, a heading, and you only want to change one or two words, even maybe just some letters in that text? How do you do that? Let's select this text over here by clicking on it, and when you click within any element, it will bring up that context toolbar with all the options for that element. Within the text element, you can click anywhere in that text element and you can see my cursor flashing. And that means you're interacting with all the text within that text element. If I select colors now and I select this red, it's going to apply it to both words, exclusive offers. In this case, I only want to apply it to exclusive. How can I do that? I will undo, Control-Command-Z, and I'm back to the black color that was used. To only apply a color to specific words within a text element, you need to select it. Make sure your cursor is active within the text element, and as you would do in any other editor to select the text, you can just highlight it. Now when you go to the color and you select the red, you will see that only that one is selected. This can be done with just a part of a word as well. Spice up your design a little bit on your website, especially this nice flashy design that we've got here, and do some selective color touches to the text within that page. For more tutorials on Brizy Cloud, Brizy WordPress, and our good friend, the Brizy Builder, make sure you subscribe here to our YouTube channel and visit us at brizy.io.